各位啊，呢台咁嘅耶穌FT 八重奏啊710，佢嘅接收能力啊，同埋呢個佢嘅降噪係一個佢嘅特色，同埋佢嘅絕招嘅嚇。咁呢就加咗共模之後呢，就好好多。而家呢就基本上可以收到2000英里到嚇。
Impeller pumps were rebuilt. Let's see, compression test, of course, oil change and carburetor rebuilds and all that stuff. So we have one engine running 100%. She's running beautiful. The other engine is also running 100%, just not quite yet on fuel.
40米波段呢就基本上係幾好啦，但係80米波段呢就麻麻地啊，因為80米波段呢就冇咩人講嘢嘅，而家呢個鐘數嚇，咁測試唔到佢嘅接收能力㗎。咁我哋繼續聽下喺40米波段 ，OK。
In a healthy way and not damaging anything, so she's going to be both. So the long answer to your very simple question, but thanks for asking. KK6R, good deal on your antenna. Boy, I'll tell you what, I got to figure out an HF station on the boat. Maybe I need to buy one of them fancy high power screwdriver antenna.
兩邊對話都能夠收到係好難嘅。你可能會收到你附近嗰個愛好者講嘢，但係對佢嘅對方呢，可能會相距4000到6000英里。咁嘅話呢，能夠收到雙方嘅對話呢，呢個先至係業餘愛好者裏邊最艱難嘅嚇。咁而家呢，就兩邊都基本上聽得清楚嘅。
All the kids can use the boat. Just take the kids down there, their kids, and spend the weekend and have a lot of fun. Sorry to be so long-winded. I got to share all my happy joy over here. KK6R, over to you. N6JSM.
N06CL.
Yeah, Noel recognized her. We'll get you at the end. Well, very good. I'm happy for you, Scotty. I knew it was going to be a lot of work, but yeah, it's going to be fun when they can walk down there and.
咁仲有一個旁邊呢度有一個嚇，呢個呢就比較遠啲啦，呢度就遠啲嘅嚇，即係距離比較。
I think he's a friend of Brian. Okay, 7DRP, are you there?
Nobody I remember.
Okay, maybe I got the call sign wrong.
David, come ahead.
呢度同樣係40米波段，但係呢，佢個呢度呢就嗰個呢啲愛好者距離比較遠嘅，係相當遙遠嚇。咁我哋去80米波段睇睇有冇人講嘢嚇。80米波段呢就80米波段冇人講嘢㗎。唔緊要嘅，我哋去20米波段好冇？呢個 松洲個選嘅波段嘅嗰個比較快速同埋有效嘅，係相當。我哋睇下有冇人講嘢先嚇。20米波段好似都冇人講嘢喎。呢個鐘數冇人講嘢啫嚇。呢個鐘數冇咩人講嘢。呢個鐘數冇人講嘢，唔緊要嘅。OK，呢度有一個好強嘅信號源，但係呢度唔係講嘢啊。OK。呢度係20米波段嘅。呢個係快速移動嘅一個功能啊。八重洲裏邊一個特殊嘅功能就係，當你點嗰個位置嘅時候咧，佢就會快速移動。但係你3秒之後唔操作，佢就會返正常嗰度。有人喺度玩摩斯碼嚇，但係講嘢仲未有人講嘢嘅。OK，冇人講嘢唔緊要嚇。呢度好似有啲活躍啊。非常微弱嘅信號。因為好啦，20米波段得一個人喺度講嘢嚇，唔緊要，我哋返去。275呢度㗎，14、275。呢度頭先睇過冇嘅，咁唔緊要啦，我哋返去 OK。我哋返去80米波段 OK。80米波段。3秒之後佢就會返正常，之後亦都係冇人講嘢唔緊要啊。 冇人講嘢，我哋可以自己講嘢嘅，因為佢哋呢個鐘數，佢哋咧就基本上咧就係、要麼就煮緊飯，要麼咧就係喺度玩緊其他嘢。冇人講嘢，OK，唔緊要。
It's part of the gig. If you make contact with K6 Charlie, they're still on the air. I think they're somewhere up and down on the 40.
You got seasick. I said no, and myself and the other two actors I was working with didn't get seasick, but the guy playing the captain did not know how to.
咁啊喺40米波段咧就得2度有人講嘢咧，就仲未出嚟嘅嚇。平時咧就要去到大概5點半、6點鐘先出嚟嘅。咁啊唔緊要嘅嚇。我哋今日主要係喺呢個鐘數睇下有幾多愛好者出咗嚟講嘢。20米波段、40米波段、80米波段，我哋都試過啦。OK， 問題就係、愛好者而家咧就一嚟咧就係、越嚟越少啦。佢投入嘅成本同埋冇收益係主要嘅原因嚇。完全冇收益啊！主要係憑住一個業餘愛好一個情懷。咁啊，堅持到今時今日咧，就相當唔錯噶啦嚇。咁我哋可以咧就不妨咧就係聽下佢哋講咩 OK？
She got on the boat, and the wife of the captain of that boat, her husband cheated on her, and so she would to put on a show. She had shorts on. She would get right in front of you and bend over and everything. Well, the helicopter girl really liked me, and she was cute. We were talking, and so the wife of the captain had her kicked off of the boat, and that really pissed me off. Anyway, yeah, that was the only other time actually. I didn't step foot off of the boat, but it was beautiful out there. And I don't know how many times I've landed at Catalina Airport, several times, but.
大家留意下呢條指針咧，就而家去到5同7之間嚇。信號還可以嘅，喺5同7之間。咁好少去到9嚇，有機會。不過咧就呢個都已經係基本聽得清楚啦嚇。啲大部分嘅愛好者而家仲未出嚟㗎。咁咧就八重洲咧，老實講係佢嘅降噪同埋接收能力咧，就比嗰個Icon 個人認為比Icon好啲，但係唔好得好多。大家都係伯仲之間嘅，但係有個別嘅功能咧，佢係有獨到之處，應該咁講。但係從玩家嘅角度去講咧，就八重洲係好啲嚇。呢個係個人嘅一個體驗。咁而家咧就再聽下佢哋講乜嘢，跟住就收工好冇
？Anyway, but that M-stick dipole seems to work really, really well, and especially with the mercury light. And I'll have just like I do on the RV, Don. I'll have a separate LiPo battery set up just to run the ham Radio Shack stuff. I'm going to end up using a step up from the 12-volt LiPo up to what I think it's 48 volts I need. I think that's the best plan. I've looked at batteries, and I just think if I put a good-sized, maybe 100 amp hour LiPo battery on there with with a step up that brings the voltage up for the mercury light. But anyway, the best success I ever had up to this date anyway was with a random wire and using one of Larry's antenna. That's how my first.
雙方對話都聽得清楚 ，OK。基本上就佢嘅接收能力都 OK。咁我哋八重洲裏邊呢就 OK。嗱，仲有個功能係咁㗎，呢個菜單 OK。咁呢個菜單呢，就我而家呢就想佢嗰個三維立體嗰度呢，稍為好啲高啲咁多嘅嗰個信號變頻。咁而家係咪睇到有個呢個可以調嘅嚇？咁今日介紹呢個第一個就電瓶嚇OK。咁而家呢，就今日介紹呢個八重洲呢，就基本上到呢度結束啦點個關注，下回更新不迷路謝謝。